that FUFA assembled under the coach of Molebie Kwaso and Fred Muhumuza. I think Alan Okello, you will represent the players to come here with your fellow players so that you could make a statement on behalf of the players, encouraging the fans and the public that CHAN is not over yet until it is over in Uganda on Friday. Joel, Regan, and Torach, you can join. It's unusual for the head captain to be quiet. He loves the talking on the pitch, but Alan will do that, the talking, and thereafter each one of them will say something. Alan.
Thank you so much. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my dear countrymen and women, the fans of Ugandan football, for the amazing energy and the desire, the passion they showed for us during the tournament at the CHAN 2024 until we made our milestone, a history to be the first team to make it to the quarterfinals of the CHAN tournament. Yeah, obviously I would say we wanted more. We wanted to end the day like everyone on Saturday, but yeah, like they have all said, the tournament is still going on. I like to give credit to whoever or anything that made this tournament to happen in Uganda. It was really a great memory. I believe it's not only a beautiful memory for us, only the players, but also for the fans outside there. So please come again. There's a semi-final today. Morocco will be playing Senegal at 8:30 p.m. Let's all be there. We are going to be there to enjoy the continuation of the tournament and also the last day of the Ugandan hosting opportunity, which will be on Friday, on 29th August. Let's all be there. Let's enjoy the entertainment. Let's have a good time as we finish the co-hosting of this tournament. And I believe the memories were created, and we can still continue to create these memories because, again, we have to remember that the AFCON 2027 is coming to Uganda again. So let's keep on doing this together. Thank you so much.
Bannayuganda mwebale nnyo olw'obuwagizi bwe mutuwadde kuba tournament yatandika paka twavudde mu Mpaka, era nga mbasaba olunaku lwa leero tubeere Nambole ffenna nga tuwagira Senegal ssaawa 2:30 ng'ezannya Morocco, era tubeerewo ku Friday nga 29 nga tuggalawo mu Uganda omupiira ogusembayo okukyazibwa mu CHAN nga bazanya nga balwanira ekifa kyokusatu n'ekyokuna. Tujja mu bungi kubanga kulwakutaano wagenda baba bintu bingi nnyo ebisanyusa. Mwebale nnyo.
Let's have Regan.
Hey, good morning everyone. We're so delighted to be here in front of you all. First of all, I would like to thank Uganda, all Ugandans who have taken part of this CHAN tournament, for the fans, for their unwavering support. They have really been an instrument, or they have been the 12th player that have helped us to achieve what we achieved. So it's not yet over, though our journey in CHAN has ended, but it's not yet over. We call upon all Ugandans to come today at 8:30 to support. We have to come and cheer the teams that are playing. As personally, we shall be there. We call upon you to come and support, make the tournament colorful today and Friday for the last game in Uganda. That's the third place playoff. We call upon you, but we are so grateful for the memories we've created together. It wasn't us only, but it was with all your support, prayers and support. and we call upon you to come, continue supporting us, be with us as we have the upcoming big tournament in Uganda still. That's AFCON 2027. We call upon you. Your support will make us achieve even more than we have achieved in this time. Thank you.
The last was from the team captain.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. I just want to take this opportunity to thank our fans for the good work done. I just want to appreciate everyone out there, because we players, we are happy because you showed us the support, and we will continue pushing hard so that we can deliver. I just want to take this opportunity to thank the President of Uganda, His Excellency Dr. Museveni, for the support. We are really happy and we are ready to deliver everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And Mr. Chairman, please. Okay, Mark.
Thank you, Ahmed.